Another way to enter lady cuddle is with the lady cuddle walk. You have thrown her out and you're in the position where you've got grip on both hands. Now lift the left arm, take her into a lady cuddle. Ladies walking backward, gent walking forward until you face the direction in which the gent was facing originally. From there, the gent is going to push the lady forward with his entire right arm on her back, and both will start walking in the direction you started with. Now lift the left arm and let the lady unwind out. From there, you want to do a reverse underarm turn again in order to get a better grip on this hand.